Hope everyone is seeing the document which I am sharing. So this is your subject microwave and antenna code EC710. Okay, and CIE 50, SE 50. You know how it will be conducted. 5 events, each of CIE 50 marks will be finalized based on 5 events, each of 20 marks divided by 2. Okay, SE again 100 divided by 2. So both combined you will be getting a CGPA. And the course outcome, so to just mention, this is microwave and antenna subject, and the first outcome: distinguish different bands in microwave frequency range, their applications, explain hazards of radiations, and demonstrate the problem solving ability. So I hope everyone can imagine the spectrum of microwave, different frequency range, and also with the wavelength mentioning in that spectrum. So it is basically of that. Second, explain the fundamental feature of strip lines and the concept of microwave integrated circuits. Okay, so microwave integrated circuit, basically the strip lines which corresponds to a type of antenna or a type of traveling wave tubes which you're going to fabricate it on an IC, which you call it as microwave. The application is microwave integrated circuit. You are designing it on an IC. So the third CO, demonstrate the knowledge of importance of radiometry, television standards, and HD TV. So you have certain things to discuss about the television, HD, audio, video signals, how the television works, cable channel works, and all those things. So the fourth outline, the basic concepts of radar system. In the fourth point or the fourth unit, you'll be discussing about the radar systems, different types of radars, and different problem solving ability in the same. So fifth, illustrate the principle of basic types of antenna, different types of antenna with the certain specification. Mhm. So six, CO in a general, work in group, communicate effectively and document outcomes related to recent trends and techniques using simulation tools, any of the simulation tools we will be working with. Okay. And to brief about the syllabus content, the first unit we're going to discuss about the microwave. Again the same, the spectrum which you could imagine with the frequency and wavelength information in the same. What are the devices that you're going to use for the microwave range applications and so on. Okay, preferably the diodes, which are impact, tripad, gun diode, tunnel diode, varactor diodes, traveling wave tubes or microwave linear beam tubes, klystron, magnetron. Okay, so these are the devices which can handle or which can generate that microwave frequency range. Okay, so this is about first unit. The second unit, that is strip lines and microwave integrated circuits. So strip lines, coplanar strip lines, shielded, different types of strip lines basically which you're going to discuss, and its fabrication which we discussed using MOSFET fabrication in the previous semester. The same way here we are going to discuss about the fabrication of microwave devices. It might be diodes or strip lines or combination of both to form a hybrid circuits and so on. Okay, so this will be for your second unit. Third unit, in this introduction to TV signal standards, scanning principle, composite video, vestigial sideband, uh, application to that of communication. Remember different types of carrier, single sideband, double-sided bands type of transmissions which you're going to use, and principles, different types of communication principles that you're going to learn here in this chapter, how the audio video combination of both will be synchronized in the television or cable transmissions on. Okay, so in the fourth unit you will be discussing on the radar. Radar, different types of radars, continuous wave, frequency modulation, MTI, pulse Doppler, tracking radars, different types of radars, and certain mathematics involved associated with it. So these are some of the radars which you discuss in the fourth unit. And in the fifth unit, we discuss about the antennas, different types of antennas, basics of antenna applications, preferably before particular applications, mobile applications, which is mentioned here. Okay, and self-learning components. It is basically on the same strip lines, audio and video compression standards, radar system, and antennas, taking one of the topic from all the chapter. Okay, so here you come across the reference next, Annapurna Das, so which you will be discussing for the first chapter, microwave engineering. So first chapter, what it includes: unit 1, different types of the spectrum, frequency, wavelength range, different types of components used in the microwaves. Okay, and Samuel Wiley, here you will discuss about the integrated circuits, that is the fabrication of different types of microwave devices, that is nothing but strip lines or uh, different types of strip lines integrated on a single IC. And the third one, Skolnick, which is good for the radar, and Kennedy communication system. So this is for the third unit. So what are the basic communications principles that you use for transmission of audio, video? What are the principles of the cable TV connections, means transmissions, communications, and so on. And lastly, the cross, which is for antenna, for different types of antenna for all applications. Okay, so this is the brief introduction about the syllabus. Fine. So coming back, so if you have any doubts, so from the next week we will be starting with the Google Classroom. I hope you can join, because once you get the Google Classroom, the link, the code, everything will remain same. Okay, so you can join it through the code itself only. That's because all the necessary materials, syllabus, and the useful links will be uploaded in the same, okay, which you can refer. So this is all about to mention. And another important point, since this is for 1 month, so you have to think in mind that you will be writing, or you will be conducted one of the test using online itself only. Okay, so nothing much to elaborate for today's class. If you have anything doubts, you can ask related to the subject or online teaching. If not, we can sign out for today. Anything else? You can mention it in the chat box. Ritesh? Yeah, you have an option to do so. No, you will get introduced to certain tool so that you can learn about how to design any type of antenna. So if nothing, we can just break for the today's meeting. Okay. So from next class